how to say, "How are you?" in Cebuano. The literal translation is "Kumusta ka?" Kumusta ka? But in general, you will hear "Kumusta?" Kumusta? But in my recent stay there, it was very common to hear "Musta?" Musta? To which they generally respond, "Maura gihapon, maura gihapon, maura gihapon," which means it's the same as before or same old, same old. And the second response is "Okay ra, okay ra," which means I'm okay. In general, Filipinos know English, so if you respond with something like "I'm doing good" or "I'm fine," "I'm okay," they will understand what you're saying. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, be sure to give it a rumble, and of course don't forget to share and feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!